Hello YouTube fam. Lately I have been clearing my throat a lot, and this started when I got serious about making vlogs. So I don't know what that is about because I'm not about to stop. This video, you see, that's what I'm talking about. This throat clearing, I don't know where it came from. And then in this video I'm also talking about my struggles with night shift and the reason I do not want to be at work too early. It's also a continuation of my last video. So I hope you enjoy. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Also, if you have any suggestions, something that you want me to talk about, please let me know in the comments. Thank you. I don't know, so this is my throat clearing things. It's new. I didn't used to be all the time clearing my throat like this. It started ever since I decided to start doing this video for real. I might be leaving too early. I don't know. I want to get to work early, but I also don't want to be there too early. You know, because get there too early, I'll just sit in my car. It's not like I can take a nap or anything. I would love to. But the thing with me is that once I get there, all the sleep disappears at the beginning. And then by like 2 a.m., from 1 a.m. sometimes I'm already like, oh my God, I need to close my eyes. So it's either night shift is not for me, because some people say they stay wide awake when they're on night shift, but me, these days, I feel so sleepy. So maybe my body is beginning to reject it. It's still raining a little bit, so I'll put this jacket on just to walk out from the door into my car, and then I'll take it right out. I'll take it off once I get into the car because I don't like to drive with this big thing on. All right, it's been a good day, another good day. Thank you again for